Hi, I'm Bronte, and today I'm going to teach you how to solder. First, get your space ready by turning on the lights so you can see everything you're working with. Next, make sure that your surface is clean and go and get the components and equipment you need to get started. Before starting, make sure to turn on the fume extractor so you don't inhale any smoke. Turn on the soldering iron by flipping the switch in the base and turn the temperature up using the dial. Turn up the iron to around 350 degrees and you're ready to go. To check if it's warm enough, test out the tip on a piece of solder. Also, make sure to clean off any residue on the tip using some steel wool. To actually get soldering, you want to take the tip of your soldering iron and place it on the metal pad that you want to solder on. Next, take the tip of your solder and place it on the very same pad. Because of the heat, you should start seeing the solder flow and your components being fused together. There are also more elaborate techniques for soldering different components, so in doubt, ask away. If you're having any problems or want to learn more, talk to a supervisor in the space. You're now ready to go.